Yogeshwaran. In this video, we are going to see a speed and motion experiment. So this is the full setup. And we need a ball, an initial point, a track, and a final point. So come on, let's do the experiment. So just we will be making the ball to move on the track from the initial point to final point. So on the track's distance is 6 meters and the time will be 3 seconds to cross the track. So now we are going to calculate the speed of the ball now which has passed then the track from initial point to final point. Come on, let's calculate the speed.
Hello guys, I'm Kumar. I'm here to explain you about speed and motion. In the given problem, distance is equal to 6 meters and the time taken is 3 seconds. We don't know the speed. So the formula of speed is distance by the time taken. Speed is equal to 6 by 3 and speed is equal to 2 meters per second. Thank you.